Welcome to this presentation of Archiving Process to Iron Maintain by EntropySoft. EntropySoft has been focusing on content interoperability for 5 years. Today, 6 out of the 14 vendors in the latest Gartner report on information access are using EntropySoft. EntropySoft is very strong in the search market, but EntropySoft is also present in the e-discovery, PPM, WCM, DLP and MFP markets. EntropySoft is making content access, integration and transfer easy. EntropySoft has the technology to connect to more than 35 different content-centric applications. Using the connectors, the Content Hub is providing a single access point to all documents on-premise or in the cloud. And then Content ETL is managing on-demand or real-time or scheduled content transfers. And all is delivered as a turnkey appliance. I am going to show you what happens behind the scene to connect the on-premise repositories to Iron Maintain. This is Content ETL Studio. Content ETL Studio is designed for advanced users who need to graphically design the content bridges between the repositories. As you can see, we are connected to many applications that contain important documents. For example, FileNet, eRoom, Google Docs, CenterStage, OpenText, SharePoint 2010. We are also connected to Iron Maintain. This is the bridge we have developed to move documents to Iron Maintain. The Iron Maintain bridge uses a federated query as a source and stores the document in Iron Maintain. Each specific action on the document is materialized by a stage. The bridge also implements the specific requirements of the transfers. In this transfer bridge, contracts and invoices have different retention periods. Let's now see the end-user experience. In Content ETL Web, I can navigate in all the repositories and access all documents. Let's assume that I want to retrieve all new contracts from SharePoint 2010. I select the SharePoint 2010 repository, then I indicate that I search for documents created in the last few days. Once I have my search results, I can automatically move the documents to Iron Maintain. I first have to select the bridge I want to use in the Bridges library. Click on Next, then on OK. We can now navigate to the Content ETL tab, where all bridges are listed and can be managed. The log file displays the bridge activity. Here we can see the query which is executed by the bridge. Then we can also monitor each of the bridge stages. Here is the number of documents that have been processed. When the process is finished, I can generate a report on the transfer. Different options are available. I want an HTML report, and I want this report to list all the errors and successes. Here it is. Of course, this report can be saved in any of the connected applications. Finally, I can choose to schedule the job to automatically run the archiving process on a regular basis, so that all the new documents are taken into account. It can be scheduled on an hourly, daily or weekly basis. Here I choose to run the bridge every Sunday. Let's access and browse the Iron Maintain repository to see the stored documents. Of course, I can access them directly and browse manually the whole repository, but that may be tiresome when working with thousands of documents. I am therefore going to search in the Iron Maintain repository. I can do a full text search or a search based on properties. Let's look for all documents containing EntropySoft in their title. Here we are. Directly from the result list, I can access all the native features of IronMaintain. I can see the document, I can check out the document, I can see properties. Let's have a look to the properties. As we can see, the retention period was automatically added to the document. The EntropySoft appliance is automating the transfers from 35 applications to IronMaintain. EntropySoft has an extensive knowledge of all the supported applications and provide a 24/7 support. Thank you for your time.